Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Visio and selecting a template that matches your goal. This saves time on settings. Next, set page size and measurement units so shapes align precisely. Once done, open the Shapes pane and load only the stencils you need. Keeping extras hidden reduces clutter. Now drag core shapes onto the canvas to establish structure and use the grid and snap settings to lock alignment as you place the first elements. You'll now add connectors and refine layout. Use the connector tool and enable right-angle routing for readable lines. Apply shape data fields to capture metadata like ID or status, then show data graphics to visualize that info with colors or icons. Once shapes and links are set, group related elements and organize with layers to lock or hide parts during edits. Make sure to use alignment and distribute tools. You'll finish by validating and cleaning the diagram. Run check diagram, fix overlapping shapes, and confirm shape data. Then export to PDF or image for sharing, or save a Visio copy to preserve layers and links. If something breaks, first reset the snap/grid and reroute connectors to clear overlaps. Then refresh any external data links if graphics don't update. Finally, save a versioned backup and test the exported file to confirm presentation fidelity before distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.